we will guide you through how to set predecessors in Wrike. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser on your computer and make sure the browser is ready before continuing. Go to 𝗟𝗏.com and wait for the website to load completely before proceeding. Click Login to open the Wrike sign-in page and access your account. Enter your email address in the email field, making sure the address is entered correctly before continuing. Click Next to proceed to the password field and continue the sign-in process. Enter your password carefully, ensuring that the credentials are correct before proceeding. Click Login to access your Wrike account and wait for your workspace to finish loading completely. If needed, click Remember to save this browser for future logins, allowing Wrike to remember the browser for future sign-ins. Open the project that you want to use. Click the Gantt chart view to display the project timeline and access the scheduling options for your project tasks. If needed, hide the sidebar to give you more space to work with the timeline. Click the settings icon in the Gantt chart to open the available timeline configuration options. Enable predecessors to add dependency information to the Gantt chart and make predecessor relationships available for your tasks. You now have a predecessors field available in the Gantt chart, allowing you to define which tasks must be completed or started before another task. To set a predecessor, click the predecessors field for the task that you want to update. Enter the task number that you want to use as the predecessor, followed by the dependency code that you want to apply, for example. As shown in the video, repeat the same steps to add predecessors to other tasks as needed, selecting each task and entering the appropriate predecessor number and dependency code. You have now successfully set predecessors in Wrike.